That's what we're looking for. They're both longbeards, so either one of them, it doesn't matter. This is what turkey hunters live for, okay? Now remember, they get if they're gonna skirt, kill him out there in front at the woods line. You know they're gonna be 40. That's 40 yards. Just put it right there where I told you and grease him. I mean, if you think you want to throttle him right there, but just hold on. He's at 40 yards. That's a pretty good. That's just right. You want to kill him? Hang on. Okay, GoPro's running. Dropped him. Don't move. Just don't move. Watch. Remember, we got another bullet in the gun. Something fierce, right?
Yep.
You on safety?
Yep.
Okay. Just keep your gun up.
That was more than I expected.
Here.
Now I can tell Dad that the luck is Dad's luck, bad luck.
Is that
Every
right?
time we go hunting, we never hit anything, so it's Dad's luck. Hi, my name's Zach, and this is the first long beard I've ever got. Thank you, Ryan. Hammer time!